If your diesel truck is taking way longer than usual to finish its cleaning cycle, or you feel a noticeable drop in throttle response, then you are likely dealing with the code P213A, which points to an open circuit in your exhaust gas recirculation throttle control system. This is a common headache for diesel owners with vehicles made after 2004 because this little valve sits right between your intake manifold and air filter to help pull exhaust gases back into the engine. When the power control module detects that the electrical path is broken or open, it cannot move the valve to the right spot, and that is when your malfunction indicator lamp pops on and your exhaust system starts building up soot way too fast. You will probably notice that your active after-treatment regeneration times are dragging on forever because the engine cannot get hot enough to burn off that buildup without the proper airflow from this throttle valve. The most likely causes are a simple break in the wiring or a connector that has vibrated loose over thousands of miles, although a failed motor inside the valve assembly itself is also a strong possibility. To get this sorted out, you should first pull the electrical connector off the valve and look inside for any green tint which indicates corrosion or any pins that look like they have been scorched by heat. If the pins look clean, you should grab your digital volt ohm meter and check for 5 volts on the signal circuit while the key is on, because if you see 0 volts or 12 volts, then you have a short in the harness that needs to be chased down back to the computer. You can also use a test light hooked up to the positive terminal of your 12-volt battery to check the ground side of the circuit by touching the ground pin and seeing if the light stays bright while you wiggle the wire harness. If the wiring and grounds all test perfectly but the code keeps coming back every time you clear it, then you are almost certainly looking at a faulty throttle control valve that needs to be replaced. Dealing with diesel emissions components can be tricky, and if the soot continues to build up, you might end up clogging your expensive particulate filter. So if these electrical tests feel over your head, it is best to let a certified technician handle it. Fix it early and you will keep your truck running clean and efficient for a long time.